Prime commercial location on next corner from Florida Hospital. Excellent medical office in Florida Professional Plaza, ample shared parking. Floor plan includes a 23 by 14 waiting room, nice staff office, lab, 2 exam rooms, physician's office with private restroom, staff break room, 1 patient and 1 staff restroom, patient check-in and check-out windows. Most recently used as a medical office, this location would be good for any type professional office. Parking lot has 2 entrances for easy access. Clean and move-in ready.